Fermented rice water has always been the y'all women's secret. It has a positive effect on scalp and hair follicles, which will result in length retention. It's rich in minerals, vitamins, and amino acids. It makes hair grow faster, thicker, and stronger. It strengthens hair roots, making hair shiny and smooth. Breakage will decrease. Rice water contains B vitamins, magnesium, and potassium, and there's no side effects with using rice water. I threw away the rice, and I'm adding essential oil to my mix because this stuff smells really bad. Just a couple drops. I think I did maybe 3 of the essential oils and maybe 4 or 5 of the tea tree oil. Apply this on clean hair. Saturate the hair and put on a plastic cap for 20 minutes and then rinse it out. Before you proceed with your style, add a moisturizer. This can be done every 2 weeks or once a month. Thank you for watching.